This tutorial is for first grade, Module 2, Lesson 18. In this lesson, we will be looking at the pattern set form when we're subtracting 8 from numbers in their teens. If you remember, in previous lessons, we looked at the patterns we get when we subtract 9. For example, if I wanted to subtract 9 from 13, 13 minus 9 equals 4. And we noticed that our answer, the difference, was one more than the number in my ones column in the original number. So if I'm at 13, I subtract 9, my answer is 4. Well, there's a similar pattern when we subtract 8 from a number in the teens. This time, I'm going to look at the number in my ones column, and my answer will be 2 more than that number. 13 minus 8 is 5. To find the matching picture, I'm going to look at the group that is 3 and 2 more for the answer. So if I look down my column here at the pictures, I can see here I have 3 and 2 more. So this picture shows 13 minus 8 equals 5. We've crossed off the 8. There's 2 left here and 3 more. So that's the matching picture for that problem. The next problem is 14 minus 8 equals 6. So I'm going to look for the answer that shows 4 and 2 more to get 6 for our answer. So if I look down the rows here, I see here's my 4 and 2 more, showing that 14 minus 8 equals 6. The next problem is 17 minus 8. So I'm going to look for the problem that shows me 7 and 2 more to get 9 for our answer. In the top picture I have 7 and 2 more. That shows 9 for my answer for the problem 17 minus 8. Problem D is 18 minus 8 equals 10. So I will look for the problem that shows 8 and 2 more to get 10 for the answer. And that would be the last picture. I have 8 and 2 more. That gives me the difference of 10 when I subtract 8 from 18. And finally, I have 16 minus 8 equals 8. I'll look for the picture that shows 6 and 2 more. That gives me the answer of 8. And that's this last picture here. I have 6 and 2 more to show that 16 minus 8 equals 8. The next section says to make a math drawing to solve these subtraction problems. The first problem is 11 minus 8. So I'll start by drawing my 11 circles, putting them in groups of 5 first. So I have a group of 5 here, and then another group of 5, so that's 10 altogether, and then one more to show 11. So our pattern has been when we subtract 8, our answer is going to be 2 more than what was in my ones column. So I'm going to predict that my answer is going to be 3, since 3 is 2 more than 1. Now let's cross off the 8 circles to show that we're subtracting 8. So I have 5 here and 3 more. That leaves me with 3 as my answer. 11 minus 8 equals 3. We'll do the same thing for 15 minus 8. I'll start by drawing my 15 circles. And again, I'll do that in groups of 5. So I have 5 here, and another 5 for 10, and one more group of 5 for 15. Now let's make a prediction. Looking at my ones column, I have a 5. My answer should be 2 more than that number, so my answer should be 7. Let's cross off our 8 circles. So here's 5 and 3 more. Looking at the remaining circles, I have 2 and 5, which equals 7. So using this math drawing, I can see that my predicted answer is correct.